Modifying components in SketchUp is simple because you start with the style template that matches the construction method of the crates you're designing. It's easier to work off of a panel when viewing it straight on. Using the Views tool, set the view to a panel you want to add support cleats to. Using the Select tool, click on the component you will duplicate until it's outlined in blue. Ensure it's the only component that's outlined. Select the Move tool, hold down the Control key on your keyboard and move the component to your preferred location. Holding the Control key and move tool duplicates to component. Continue to add components using the same tools. If you need to adjust any components, select the Move tool again and click on the component. You may also need to resize components because they sized incorrectly or you want to change how the component appears. Click on the S key on your keyboard to show the handles. You're able to use any handle to stretch or shrink any component. Using the Orbit tool or the Views tools at the top of the window, rotate the image to see your changes. Depending on the view you may want to save or print, you may not need to add additional components to the opposite panel. As you saw, making a copy of a component and resizing are simple. But what if you want to rotate a component? Select the Rotate tool. Depending on your rotation point, you may click in the middle of the component to create your start point, then click on an end and drag the component in the direction you want it to spin. Don't forget to use the S key on your keyboard to adjust the sizing if needed. Deleting components is straightforward. Use the Select tool to choose the component you want to delete. You may need to click a few times since panels are grouped. Once the component is highlighted, click Delete key on your keyboard. Use the Escape key to return to the regular window. Using these views to modify your components and panels first makes it easy to know what panels you're working on. Then using the Add Dimensions video, you'll learn to add dimensions. Then using the Layout video to separate the panels into layout mode, you can print out a layout diagram for staff. Please watch the next video and on the support portal download the PDF info sheet.